The EBS Shuttle. Let's talk about how it works. It has 3 individual motors for different purposes. If we talk about the motor that's on the opposite side of the PLC panel, it is used to drive the shuttle forwards and backwards. The shuttle is separated by 2 frames. You have the main body frame and you also have the fork frame. One of the motors moves the fork frame to the left and to the right, while the other motor moves the fork frame up and down. This feature of the fork frame allows it to pick up trays and set them down. The only way this machine has precision is by having sensors. Let's start with the fork frames and how the sensor works. It uses a proximity sensor in the middle of the fork to determine whether or not if the fork is centered. This is the most important sensor because if the fork is any distance out to the left or the right, it could hit part of the rack and just completely break itself. Another proximity sensor is used to determine whether or not the fork is up or down. If properly installed, there shouldn't be an issue with this sensor, but if it ever becomes loose and you have to reinstall it, have fun. Lastly, for the shuttle going forward or backwards, I don't know if I can count this as a sensor, but it's a barcode scanner. The barcode scanner scans every single barcode that is put along the rail to determine where it's at. Some more information about this is it can't have a cord to actually run, and because of being cordless, it's running off of power rails. These power rails have to span the entire rack that the EBS shuttle is going to be on. I completely forgot about it, but how does it even receive or give information? To accomplish these, it uses a laser, and all it does is allow the information to be sent and received, and then the shuttle from that point on can pick up and drop off trays into specific locations. There's probably some more parts that I forgot, but if you want to go check it out, just look at the 3D model on Sketchfab. It's linked below.